Outstanding design defines the 2013 Toyota Highlander. It features an automatic transmission, all-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. It includes heated seats, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, power moonroof, a power liftgate, remote keyless entry, and leather upholstery. Premium sound drives 6 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Toyota ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, head curtain airbags, traction control, brake assist, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our sales staff will help you find the vehicle that you've been searching for. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.